I'm in here buying something to cook. I found some for $1.65 a pound. That is cheap. It's salad and bananas. Also, check this out. That's not bad for $2.99 a pound. And this $5.99 a pound. As well as the chicken, $1.69 a pound and $1.65 a pound. That is cheap. If you guys can't wait until Thanksgiving, now is the time to buy these. This is how you save money when it comes to Thanksgiving dinner. You don't have to break the bank. Start shopping year round. This stuff doesn't go bad. It's $1.37 for a 32 ounce. And this as well, if you like to bake your honey. But I like to make my own glaze. I have my own little special thing. Okay guys, I think that's all I'm gonna get for today. If you're still here with me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try this one. They're on sale for $3.59. Okay, look guys, they have this on sale for $1.08. So you only get 7.25 in there. Then I got these for $3.77 on sale. Think you come out ahead, saving money. So this bargain shopping, I enjoy doing this, y'all. For the whole meal for less than $25. I did pretty good after all. So everyone's going to be able to eat at least twice. Some of the workers were being rude until they realized I was recording. So now it's time to put these groceries away. Well, that concludes my shopping for the day, guys. We just left out of Rouse's, the high price store. I'm a good couponer. I got that meal for less than $25, which is good. Because most stores, it's an arm and a leg. But not for me. I know how to bargain shop. I'm heading home. Shelby going to cook. Comment down below if you want to see what I cook. If you want me to take you guys along with me as I cook, or do you want me to show it to you after I'm done? It's up to you. It's 100 degrees, y'all. Oh my God. I had to delete a few things off of my phone in order to continue recording and doing things. I didn't want to let some of the things go, but I had to. You gotta make sacrifices if you want to become that full-time content creator, and that's exactly what I'm doing. If you want to learn, hit that subscribe button while you're doing everything you have to do as a mom. Even if you're not a mom, it still can be done even with a 9 to 5. I'm driving, guys, so don't do this at home. Here is my finished product of my meal. If you want to see me cook it, comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see more content just like this. Thanks for watching.